Today we're replacing a burnt-up point-of-use water heater for a restroom. We start by disconnecting the unions and cutting out the pipe. Next, we pull the heater off the wall and remove the old bracket so we can install a new one. Once we screw the new bracket into place, we carefully move the water lines out of the way so we can mount our new water heater to the wall. Then we begin to carefully strip off all the old insulation from the water lines and cut out the shut-off valves the customer wanted replaced, since they were old and hard to turn. Now it's time to solder up our dielectric unions. We start by applying flux, then heat it with the torch until the solder flows into the joint. As a trick, we brush on a little more flux to clean it up, then pour water over it to cool it down. Look how clean that is. We repeat the process again, making sure to apply just enough heat for the solder to take, then cleaning it off with flux and cooling it down with water. Now, with our unions in place, we measure out our pipe and insert it into the fittings. We mark the other side with a marker and cut the pipe with our auto cutters. Now for a trick I learned from one of my old foremans. I shove a small piece of rag down the pipe before I ream the copper to keep shavings out of the tank, then pull it back out. With our fittings all connected, it's time to press on the fittings. Now that all our pipes are sealed, we turn on the water and plug in the new water heater. We set the tank to a comfortable 120 degrees and throw on our sticker. Another happy customer.